Hi, this is Fred Neiman of Hanlon Neiman, practicing estate planning in all 22 counties of the state of New Jersey. I want to talk to you today about the importance of beneficiary designations. Oftentimes I lecture and do seminars to professional organizations, and in my discussions with family members we talk about the use of wills and trusts. But as we discuss that subject, the most important aspect of what we do or what we need to make sure happens as we prepare a will and trust is to conform beneficiary designations to the intended objectives of the client. For example, did you know that if you designate someone as a beneficiary to your life insurance, or you name an individual as a beneficiary to your IRA, or if in your pensions there are options for you to select a person to receive income after death, those designations supersede and take priority over your will. In other words, no matter what your will says, no matter what your trust says, if a beneficiary designation is different from the will or trust, the beneficiary designation will control. People are often surprised to hear that and just assume that when they designate an individual as a beneficiary in their will or trust, that is all they need to concern themselves with. And the answer is that's a good starting point, but it's not complete. And as part of your estate planning, in conjunction with your will or trust, you need to make sure that the beneficiary designations are compatible with and further the objectives of the documents. If you have minor children, if you have incapacitated beneficiaries, you need to make sure beneficiary designations are placed into a trust for them. Again, the beneficiary designation can be tailored and drafted in a way that meets all of your objectives. There's nothing special or magical about it, but it needs to be clear in how you word it, what your goals and objectives are. In our next discussion, we'll be talking about the importance of having your documents in order with blended families, in other words, families of second marriages, and I look forward to talking to you about that subject in just a few moments.